our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to add voice effect on your video by using InShot app. Let's start. At first you have to open your InShot app, then tap on the video option. Now tap on new, and in here choose the video that you want to work with. For example, I'm gonna choose this one and then tap on the check mark. If you guys want to add voice effect, then choose the part where you want to add it, then split it like this, and then choose the video, and here scroll like this, and then choose the voice effect option. Right now choose the effect that you want to add. For example, I'm gonna choose this one and then tap on the check mark. Now this effect will be applied to the part of your video, and if you guys want to add more than 2 effects, you can also do it by choosing the video and then split it and then follow the steps like the previous way. Here, to save the video, you have to tap on save, and then this video will be saved on your device. So this is how you guys can add voice effects on your video by using InShot app. See how easy it is. We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.